Hello again. Today I'm going to pick open this Squire 660 padlock for SasPes 1000 sub giveaway. The reason why I've chosen this lock is he's asked you to pick one of your favourite locks. Now this is one of the first Squire lever locks I picked open. So I have picked it open a couple of times, so it shouldn't be too much of a challenge. But the challenge is, not only does he want you to pick your favourite lock, he wants you to pick it in the opposite direction. So if you're picking a pin tumbler, instead of pushing the pins up, you need to push the pins down. Well, this ain't got pins because it's a lever padlock, so I'm going to have a go at picking it upside down like so. So first of all, I'll just show it all working. It's a good little lock, this. Nice, smooth action. All locks up. It's not one of them ones where the bolt doesn't go across, so you can just throw it with the lever. I mean, with the tension tool, you ain't going to open that unless you pick the levers. So what we'll do is we'll go upside down. Beauty of picking it upside down is this little bit here, the cover, what normally drops down and gets in your way, that's not going to happen. So let's go in with the pick, bit of tension, and then see if we can get it open upside down. Just fill the levers. A little bit of movement there. A bit more. Keep fiddling with them levers. It is certainly different doing it upside down. And we're open. Now, I know what will happen here because I've picked this lock that many times. It won't feel like it's open, like so. And I've done videos on this in the past. If that ever happens to you, what's happened is you've not thrown the bolt fully across. All you need to do is just give it a wiggle and it'll open. So that's it. That is my favourite lock, picked open upside down for SasPes 1000 sub giveaway. That's it for now then. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon. Try it a bit.